Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine and healthy. As we know, COVID-19 is going on all across the world, so we are conducting online classes. Hope you all will cooperate. So today we are going to discuss about the chapter numbers. Can you recall what are numbers? So let's get started. A number is a mathematical object used to count, label, and measure. What is a number? A number is a mathematical object used to count, label, and measure. Example, natural numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and etc. In the Indian system of numeration, the smallest two-digit number is 10. Smallest three-digit number is 100. Smallest four-digit number is 1000. And the smallest five-digit number is 10,000. And the smallest six-digit number is 1 lakh. Similarly, the smallest 7-digit number is 10 lakh and smallest 8-digit number is 1 crore. Have you ever thought why do we need to learn such large numbers such as 1 crore, 10 crore and above? Wait, I will tell you. The distance of the sun from the earth is about 15 crore kilometer and many other things we measure in large numbers. Thus, it seems to learn numbers beyond 1 crore. Okay. You might have seen commas in certain numbers in second slide. Now I will tell you according to Indian system how do we place commas after certain periods. You can refer the table given. As we all know the basic rule of maths for reading numbers, that is we always start reading numbers from right to left. Similarly, while putting commas between numbers we start it from right to left. So, what are we understanding by seeing this table? In any number, we will put first comma after 3 digit. Similarly, we will put second comma after 2 digit. And then we will put third comma after 2 digit again. And the fourth comma we will put after 2 digit again. Okay. So, this is the rule we have to follow. Let's see some examples so we get clear concept of putting commas. So in the first example, we have given with the number 5 crore 36 lakhs 12,482. So how will you put commas in this number? So as we observe the table, so according to that table, we have to put first comma from right side and after 3 digits. Okay. So we will put first comma after these 3 digits from right side. And then we will put second comma after 2 digits. So we put it by after 2 and 1. Okay. Similarly, we will put third comma after 2 digits. So we put it after 3. Okay. So we get the answer. We get the solution. Okay. So let's see second example. Write in figures. We have given with words in number in words. Okay. 9 crore 65 lakh 37,115. We have to write it in numeric form. We will put commas also because we have to do practice of it. Okay. So first of all we will write 9 crore 65 lakh 37,115. So and then we will put commas after 3 digit, then after 2 digit and then after 2 digit likewise. Okay. Now example 3. In example 3 we have to observe the pattern and write the next number. हमको क्या we have to do? We have to observe the pattern. So we have given with 3 different numbers. 1 crore 96 lakh 46,556 and the second number is 1 crore 96,047 1 crore 96 lakh 47,556 and the third number is 1 crore 96 lakh 48,556. We can observe here there is a difference between counting by thousands. We are getting difference in thousands. Okay, like in the first number we are getting 46,000, in the second number we are getting 47,000, and in the last third number we are getting 48,000. Okay, so there is a difference between thousands. So what will be the our next number? 1 crore 96 lakh 49,556, and we will write the reason counting by thousands. Now we will discuss a new topic, what are successor and predecessor. Okay, to better understanding of successor, we will consider a number 4, so we can understand it better. Okay, so if the 4 number is given, so you have to add one number in 4. So if you will add 4 plus 1, so you will get 5. So 5 will be the successor of 4. Similarly, in the same manner, if you have given with number 10 and you have to find the predecessor of 10, so you will subtract 1 from 10. So you will get predecessor of 10, that is 9. Okay. Let's see some examples to understand successor and predecessor. If you are given with the number 10,83,481, so what will be the successor of it? You have to add 1 in it. So you will get 10,83,482. Okay. So this is the successor. It is very easy. Now write the predecessor of 36,607. So you have to minus 1 from 36,607. It will be so easy. So you will get 36,606. You get here predecessor of 36,607. Okay, it's very simple. Now I am giving you one assignment. This is assignment number 1. You have to complete it. This is exercise number 1 from your textbook, and it is based on successor, predecessor, and putting commas, and you are given with figures here, and you have to write numeric form of the numbers. Okay, so it's very simple. You have to complete it. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. After